Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to export ChatGPT memory data. So to start, open any browser and go to chatgpt.com, then sign in to your account. So to export all your ChatGPT data, so open ChatGPT and click your profile picture or the account menu in the bottom left corner. Go to settings, then on settings, select data controls. Then at the bottom, select export data and tap on export. So confirm the export request. So click confirm export. So read all of this. So your account details and chats will be included in the export. Your data will be sent to your email and the link will expire 24 hours after you receive it. And it may take some time, but you'll be notified when it's ready. So click on confirm export and approve sign in. So ChatGPT send you a notification to your devices. So open ChatGPT on your phone and just click yes, it's me. So once you follow the prompts, it will process it. So just wait for it. And that's basically it. So once done, open the email sent to your account and click download data export. So again, the download link expires after 24 hours. So the export arrives as a zip file containing your chat history and other account related data. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.